Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, welcoming you back to another dive into the enriching world of Stoic wisdom. Today we're exploring a compelling concept from Epictetus' discourses, the 7 clear functions of the mind. This philosophical gem guides us on how to purify our thoughts and actions amidst life's complexities. Ready to unlock this ancient wisdom? Let's dive in. Epictetus tells us that the functions of the soul are to desire, to avoid, to strive, to shun, to prepare, to intend, and to assent. He then poignantly asks, what makes the soul impure? His answer is clear, nothing other than its wicked judgments. Reflecting on this, we see that our mental clarity hinges on how we manage these 7 functions. Let's break them down one by one, translating them into practical steps for our modern lives. First up, to desire. In Stoic thought, true desire isn't driven by vain, fleeting wants, but by the pursuit of virtue. This means acting and thinking correctly. Imagine channeling your desires towards becoming a better person every day, rather than chasing external validations or material gains. How empowering is that? Next, to avoid. It's about refusing temptation. Think of your daily challenges: unhealthy food, procrastination, or toxic relationships. By exercising rational skepticism and discipline, we can avoid these pitfalls. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making choices that build our character. The third function is to strive. This means actively working to become better. You have goals and aspirations, right? Striving means committing to personal growth and improvement with resilience. Consider your lifelong learning journey, where each small effort compounds into significant progress over time. Then we have to shun. Here, we are advised to shun negativity, bad influences, and falsehoods. In today's world, we're bombarded by negativity from news and social media. Practicing Stoicism means consciously choosing what you consume and the people you surround yourself with. Imagine the tranquility when you start filtering out negativity. Moving on to prepare. Stoicism places great importance on preparation for life's uncertainties. Whether it's preparing for a challenging day at work or an unexpected hardship, being mentally ready empowers you. Preparation builds resilience, allowing you to face challenges with a serene mindset. The 6th function is to intend. This refers to identifying our main principles and highest priorities. What are your core values? What's truly important to you? By aligning your actions with your principles, you focus your energy on what truly matters, making each day purposeful. Last but not least, to assent. This is perhaps one of the most profound Stoic teachings, not to be deceived about what depends on us and what does not, and to accept the latter. A lot of stress comes from trying to control the uncontrollable. By learning to assent, we accept life's events with tranquility, managing our reactions instead of futilely trying to control everything. So, these are the 7 clear functions of the mind according to Epictetus: to desire, to avoid, to strive, to shun, to prepare, to intend, and to assent. This is what our minds are meant to do, enabling us to lead a life of virtue and tranquility. Anything that deviates from these functions is essentially garbage and an impediment to our true purpose. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on these functions and identify which areas need more attention in your life. Embrace this Stoic practice to purify your mind, making choices that align with your values and dismissing what doesn't serve your higher purpose. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this discussion, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from Stoic wisdom. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, continue your journey towards resilience, self-discipline, and inner calm. Take care, friends, and embrace the Stoic within you.